3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic thunderous hits. Loud, thunder-like impact sounds that add gravity. Perfect for stormy scenes, intense battles, and dramatic conclusions, enhancing the overall impact. Cinematic shuddering effects. Trembling sounds that create a sense of instability. Cinematic wind. Gentle to fierce wind sounds that set the tone for outdoor environments. Ideal for creating a sense of calm in serene landscapes or adding intensity in stormy, chaotic scenes. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.